Hey guys, it's Ashley from United Reviews, and today we're here with Nadine West. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, this is a styling service. So every package, all you pay for is shipping if you don't keep anything. And that's about $10 a month. So you fill out a little survey, they send you a package of clothing, you try it on, you keep what you like, you send back what you don't. Everything that you keep is taken from that $10 shipping fee. Now, this subscription is different from your Stitch Fix, your Oneable, because the clothing is at a little bit of a lower price point. So if you're looking for more of a, if you're a budget gal, I'm a budget gal. I'll be honest, I know that there are people out there that love to spend a lot of money on clothing. I don't. I prefer quantity over quality, not gonna lie. Except for sneakers. I'll pay top dollar for those. Anyway, we all have priorities, right? Anyway, except for this shirt, it was free. I mean, no, Lizzie, it was free. All right, anyway, my last few have been misses. I have gotten some clothes that I regretted not keeping. That blue dress, whoever is watching now, you know the one. I regret not keeping that. I should have kept it. You know how you think of one? Now they probably will watch this and send it to me. By the way, I pay for this subscription. I have no affiliation with Nadine West. However, I have a feeling they watch these videos because like last month, I was like, oh, I got to change the size because I lost weight. I was a medium. Not that but the medium was too big. Like, it wasn't the right fit for me. And the next month, I got small. I never changed it on the website. So I'm just letting you guys, full disclosure. However, all these opinions are my own. I don't lie. I ain't gotta lie. You know what I mean? All right. Oh, I keep doing this. Don't tell anybody I did that, okay, guys? You're supposed to rip it and then... Oh, no, I did it fine. It's fine. I'm sorry. My brain is all joggled. This is the bag you're going to send it back in. It's hard to get... So, just so you guys know, inside you're going to have... Or maybe I'm not. What the heck, Ashley? Whatever. I'll just tape it up. There's usually a little seal inside that you lip it over. But this is not the Nadine West. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So anyway, this is the bag. I'm going to put it back in and send it back. And I don't pay for that. That's all part of the deal. Have I been sitting here showing you guys my address this whole time? Don't come to my house. There's nobody there. I'm not answering my door, FYI. All right, first up, we have some flower leggings. Oh, no, it's a skirt. This is kind of cute, but it kind of also... Oh, no, they're pink. Oh, they're flared leggings. I have a pair of these, but I'm too nervous to wear them outside. So these are black with like a floral print. They're cute, but I don't know if I really don't know about them, personally. Am I like pitted out? I hope not. Just being honest here, guys. It just worked out. All right. Then we've got these leggings they keep sending me. I feel like I've gotten these like 3 times. Oh, FYI, you cannot opt out of getting jewelry. You have to get jewelry. I never keep any of it. I don't even like consider it because I just have too much already. So this is from Shosho. These are like tummy control. Yeah. Not my style. These were, I don't know if they're the same as the ones I've tried before. They do look nice on, but they're like $30 for a pair of leggings. Like, no thanks, you know? All right, so here's some jewelry. This is a necklace thing. I don't even open it up or take it out because I'm not keeping it. Like, why would I do that? Maybe to show you guys, but I'm mean. I'm just gonna be honest. All right. Oh, this is cute. And then what I'll do, is this a dress though, or is it a shirt? Because if it's a shirt, I don't really like it. What I'll do is at the end, I will put some pictures of me trying everything on. I'm not going to do that now. I have to do that tomorrow because it's now nighttime. And the day has gotten away from me once again. But this color, so firstly, the style, I don't know about it. I'll try it on and see. I do like the mother of pearl and the buttons, but I do love this color. It's so pretty and soft. And I don't know. I think I'm going to like that. I think I might like it. I think I might not too. I never know. It's always the things that I'm like, oh, I don't like that when I see it. And then I put it on and I'm like, wow, I would have never tried this on in a store. But now it just, like suits me. Like, wow, that's crazy. Or some things I'm like, I love that off, and then I put it on and I'm like, oh, that is not, no. Oh no. Just goes to show you. A scarf. I do not also need scarves. This one is beautiful though. I love these colors. Do you know what this reminds me of? Saltwater taffy. Yes or no, right? And this is an infinity scarf. It has full circle, comes full circle. But look, it's so pretty. I do love these colors. It's more summer though. I mean, I don't feel like it's appropriate for this time of year. But you know, it's still pretty. I do like it. All right, here's something. I like this. I like the way it looks so far. This is a dress. Oh, I think this is so cool. What the hell? I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Do you hear my kids stomping around like animals? Okay, that looks... Oh, yeah, no. Oh, no, it has straps. I was going to say, I don't deal... Oh, this is so pretty. So first of all, it's like a pale pink with black and has that kind of a bohemian design. And it is a dress, but top kind of has just like that, it's a piece that flaps over. So it's the opposite pattern to give you kind of a different dimension. And the dress is long. So that's going to be the tell-all. Actually, the price is really going to be the tell-all. But, I mean, it is a summery dress, and I don't really need summer clothes right now. But this is really pretty. It does have a slip under it, too, which is nice. All right, these are gray. I think you guys know that I love gray. I think I've told you a billion times. There's a little pair of silver hoop earrings. Won't be anything else. These are cute. I'm not going to lie. Sea mode. Feels special. So these are cute, but they are very light, and they look like they would be sweaty, and they're not very stretchy. I don't know. I don't have a pair of like this kind of pants like this, and I do love gray. I just think it's like the bee's knees, girl. All right. And then once we're done with getting all this stuff out, we'll look at the prices, because that's the real deal, right? That's how I really know how I feel about it. All right, so this is from Zanana. It's a small, it's yellow. I actually really love this style. Don't know why. The mustard color is pretty. And then it has like that, you know, this kind of, it's flouncy, I guess is the word. But I don't know if I'll like it on me. That would look really cool with the gray. FYI, just saying. When I signed up with them, I was like, I want clothes for my school board meetings. I want clothes for church and stuff like that. And I feel like they're getting better. Like at first they would send me like sweatpants, or they have not even like just a couple months ago, but I feel like they're getting better. But right here is a pair of what I would call like a sweatpant. This is from Evie. These are like a jogger, but these do feel really comfy, and if they're cheap enough, I might keep them. I like them. But I mean, I'm not paying a lot for a sweatpant. You know what I mean? It's a dang sweatpants. Right? Like, am I the only one? Like, is this like a thing people buying crazy? Ambiance. This is just a pink t-shirt. So these are like loungewear or whatever. Then there are these pants or dress or pantsuit or shirt with a paisley print. This is kind of cute, but this stuff always reminds me of like a maternity tops because the bottom's open. So there's that. Not really. Oh, I just bought a pair of these. These are Honeycomb Leggings. This is in a burgundy flavor. Very cute. I do have a pair, like almost exactly, except mine are like nebula colors. All right, so those are all of the items. Let's see the prices. Where the heck did I put that thing? Is it still in? Can you see me over there? They did send a lot of items. They usually do. All right. Maryland top small. Okay, so this is my other problem with this subscription. They do not define the items well enough. Like, if you are listening, Nadine West, you have got to be more clear, because I don't know what the hell you're talking about. All right, so we're going to go through the tops, and we're going to try to figure it out from there. So Rose Fuchsia Erica top, $16.49. I'm guessing that's this. $16.49 for a t-shirt? No. Dusty Pink, that would be this. And that is $25.99. probably also no, unless it's gorgeous on. All right, so then we have two other small and medium. So that would be this shirt and, oh, okay. So let's look at the sizes. This is a medium, so this is $31.49. I already wasn't crazy about it. And then there's this yellow one, which is really pretty and I loved a lot. Yes, and that's small. That one is also $31.49. That's a lot for a shirt for me. All right, let's move on to the bottoms. The black bottoms are $15.99. So that was those tummy controls. Then we have the burgundy, and those are $20.49. The ones that I got at Gabe's for, I think $6.99, $8.99. I'm not sure exactly, but way less than this. So I don't know that I would go with that. Let's put that out there. Then there's the heather gray, and these are $19.90. Wait, see? Gaucho pants, light gray. Okay. All right. So one of the pants is $19.99. The other is $21.49. They're both gray. You tell me what that is. I don't know. These pants are $21.19. So that's a dress is $29.99. If it's beautiful on, I'll keep it. I've learned if you like it like that and it's a dress, because they're hard to come by, just keep it. This scarf is $13.99. It's so pretty. And then the two pieces of jewelry, the earrings are $24.99. And then the bracelet is $19.99. So what I'll do is I will try everything on for you guys and then let you know down in the description box what I kept. All right, so you can look at that right here.